Hello everyone, I'm Lixin from Zhongji Luyuan companies. Behind me is our self-developed steel cage welding machine. Compared with a traditional machine, it has some advantages. First, for the first time in the industry, the rotary supported shaft is used, and carrying capacity is greater than 118 tons. Second, the working size is more accurate with gear machine transmission. Next one, the separate tray is the first in the industry to adopt the rear support mode, which is simpler to maintain and quieter to run. Next one, the single round steel rod of the distribution tray is designed with chromium plating on the surface for longer wear resistance and service life. Next one, a single piece of round steel can be disassembled and the later maintenance and replacement is easier. Next one, the racks on the both sides are specially designed to make them safer at work. Especially auxiliary roller for reinforcement. One person can easily penetrate more than 40 mm steel bars. Family, if you are interested in our product, please contact us through the following contact information.